Hello all, welcome to our channel. Sir, I am creating my business account. I have to follow the how to making a logo. Logo making purpose, the one option name is called Canva. For Canva, one is a free and business one is there. If you go for business pro version, the lifetime you have to pay option name is called 4,000 rupees for 1 year. So that purchase your Canva, use a number of logo. It's a no corporate logos. All will be provided by the your particular Canva option. So that logo you can go with and make it logo will be here. Logo size your wish, but logo will be created purpose. You can use option name is called 500 by 500. In this use for number of templates are here. So which template you will be like here, or just go for blank logo. Create a blank logo. So I'm creating for blank logo. How to create? I don't know how to create the templates. The right side column they will use for the template will be here. Which is the free we can use will be free one. It is a showing for pro one, is a paid one. This will be free. This will be free. So you have I'm using for characters. Click is your name is what? And my name is Digital Rakesh. D R. Below I'm using name is called Digital Rakesh. Here, pick this. Change the color. The dot is there. Not if we delete it. My logo is my name. Name not required, remote it. Dear nothing but favicon. Icon with the name is called logo itself. This logo where you can display each and every website. The right side column, the logo will be displayed. If you go for website, anyone to my website or Amazon, see this. The logo display will be in this left side in the corner. So here it is the logo will be created. So any number of logos you can create from here. The n number of options are here. The middle of this you can use a photo also. So I can use my photo itself. Happily use it. So I can go with my photo will be into background. It is called layer center background. Here it is called. Yeah, using uppercase also like this. Clear? So this is call nothing but to making a logo using Canva option. Use the logo, create a YouTube channel, Facebook page, Instagram account, any business purpose. Logo is the first priority. Use the logo and create your branding one. If any further question to making a logo issues in Canva, please contact our website. Definitely will be supported. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe our channel.